Hello, B1 family, and thank you for joining me here at the YouTube channel, The Big Black American Secret. My name is Daniel Jackson, and today is an update on Othal Wallace, Ozone Wallace. Before I get into the update, let me read the goal of this channel. The goal of this channel is to build an unstoppable army of knowledgeable, black melanated people around the world that understand that we as melanated people have one enemy worldwide, and that enemy is the system of racism, white supremacy. Our mission through education is to replace this evil system with a system of freedom, justice, and equality as laid out by Dr. Frances Cress Welsing. We will need your help in building this knowledgeable army. You can help by subscribing to this channel, by donating to this cause through CashApp or PayPal, and by sharing the videos you watch here and any knowledge that is shared. In doing so, together we help fertilize the mentally enslaved, colonized minds of black melanated people worldwide, creating the perfect mental conditions for our children to grow up in a better, more balanced world. Dr. Frances Cress Welsing's video will be in the description. Also in the description will be my email address for anybody who wants to sign up for my classes. I do teach $49 video only, $199 for coaching, which includes the video training. The good news today is Othal Wallace. The update for him is he is in good health, he's eating, and his visitations are being restored as we speak. All good news. So we will not be pulling up Thursday morning in Florida. A large number of you all have voiced that y'all want to pull up Thursday if he's not being treated properly. So thank you all for that. Thank you all for calling the phone numbers that I put in the description to put the heat on these people. I really appreciate that. And again, you guys illustrated the B1 principle, black first. We have to be black over our political stance, black over our religious understandings, I guess I want to call it, black over our sexual orientations. We have to be B1, black first. That is the code. If we are black first, we win. Okay? Very important. So update on Othal Wallace, Ozone Wallace, all positive. He is eating. He is okay. And he also is his legal team is being formed as we speak. Okay? Right now he's being represented by, what do they call those people? Public defenders? Yeah, public defenders. I have their names here. See if I got them wrote down. I'm sure I do. Anyway, it's not important because he's not going to have public defenders too soon. But anyway, again, I've been informed that he is well. He is well, and our brother is okay. So that's the bottom line. That's what we was hoping for, that he is being treated like a human being and that we didn't have to pull up and make these people do their jobs, okay? Good job, everybody. Again, this is simply an update on Othal Wallace. It's all positive news. And the name of this channel is The Big Black American Secret, which means that, oh, and the secret is you are an Aboriginal American. You are not a West African slave. The out of Africa theory was a white supremacist story given to us along with the Neanderthal European story to, I guess, give credence to the fact that they're supposed to be superior. But as I stated in one of my videos, I think about a week ago, I showed you that the creation of the system of racism, white supremacy is only 162 years old. It was created in 1859. Yes. 6 years before the end of the Civil War. Charles Darwin wrote a book called The Natural Selection and the Origin of the Species, which planted in the minds of white Europeans that genetically they were superior. At which point they got busy eliminating the black European. Lumped the black European in with just the term black, which was reserved for the black Native American, and then went about the destructive path of again destroying the black European and all these things. I'm not going to get into that all in that video, but again, the name of this channel is The Big Black American Secret, and the secret is you are an Aboriginal American. If you want to know more about that topic, if you want to know how you can figure out if you are an Aboriginal American, which I'm pretty sure you are, the research that I've done, there is no evidence, zero evidence, that we are West African slaves or the descendants of West African slaves. Again, that was all a psychological operation, and everybody was in cahoots with this thing, from the government to businesses to organizations. Everybody got on the same page and headed in that direction, which was white supremacy. And I may make a video later today to give you a little bit more information about that. But on this quick short video, I just wanted to give you an update. Everything is well with Ozone, and from what I understand, in the next couple of weeks or maybe next month sometime, he'll be having a hearing, and I'll keep you updated. Okay, that being said, I'm going to end this video, and I want you to share this video, like this video, and get the word out that he's okay by sharing it. And again, if you want to take my classes about you being an Aboriginal American and just learning the truth of your black American identity, because you are the only true American. The racist white Europeans have been trying to steal your identity, land, labor, and resources. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to end this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.